Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey Outback. Let's go have a look. At the heart of every Jayco RV is a battery management system that will operate not only the lights in your van, but it will also charge your batteries and any other 12-volt appliance within your van. Now what we have here is a control panel. So this is the heart of the van. We've got our tank, our solar, our battery charge in here. Basically the state of play of our whole RV. Now we can turn on our hot water system from here. We can turn on and off our pump. We can also, of a night time, for those who don't like light, like a blackout in the van, we can dim the screen so it's completely blank of a night time. So to turn it on, double click, and it will power up your Jayco RV. If your Jayco RV is fitted with a roof mount solar panel, ensure that you're not free camped underneath the tree so you get maximum sunlight onto your solar panel. Now this particular control panel here, we're not connected to 240 volt, so that you can see at the moment the battery's sitting at 13.3, and over here we're putting in 6.9 amps. Now below it here, it will tell us that we've got 100 amp lithium battery, and it's also telling us we've got 893 minutes of solar charge or battery capacity. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.